Hey guys, we got flash on just in case it gets dark, because it probably will, but it's windy, guys. It's windy. Mario, why would you drag us in a thunderstorm? What do you mean, Mario? Why are we in? Why did you always drag us out in the storms? Because it's cool, Mario. What? Why do you always drag us into storms? Because it's a thunderstorm. Mario, why are we in a thunderstorm? You always drag us into stuff. Because, guys, whenever we said it's going to be a thunderstorm, well, it's a thunderstorm. Look at that. See, it's a thunderstorm. Wait, windy. Mario, are we going to get struck with lightning? No, you're not going to get struck with lightning, Junior. I mean, the clouds are moving pretty fast. Yeah, the clouds are moving pretty fast. Oh shoot! I'm gonna probably blow soon. Those clouds are moving a bit too fast. Yeah, those clouds are moving a bit too fast, guys. I don't know if I could see it. I'm telling you that, Mario. What do you mean? It's not said to be in thunderstorms. What do you mean it's not said to be in thunderstorms? Because, Mario, you could get struck with lightning. I'm not going to get struck with lightning, Luigi. I mean, well, clouds are pretty fast, and it was raining before, but still, it's not going to do anything to me, Luigi. What, playing a thunderstorm? It's dangerous because you could get struck with lightning. And it's so windy. Luigi, am I stupid? Yes, you're stupid. Why? Because you're coming outside and you know it's going to be a thunderstorm. Haven't even seen one strike yet. Start to believe you. Guys, the power of the storm. Oh my God. Spare me. Luigi, help me, Luigi. We might get soaking wet. Mario, we might get soaking wet during this. Wow, the clouds are moving pretty fast, Mario. Mario, this is not good, Mario. Mario, the clouds are supposed to move really slow, but they're moving really fast today. Jesus, they're moving pretty fast, huh? Yeah. Dang, those clouds are moving pretty fast. Whoa. Alright, it's starting to go. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, it's moving for fast. Oh my God, Luigi. Spare. Mario. Guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. It's getting really loud. Too loud too. It's so scary, Mario. God. Hey, Mario, I'm gonna die. Mario! Oh my God, Luigi! God. You guys are so dumb. Really? A thunderstorm? Really, guys? Jesus, it's getting windy, guys. It's so loud. Oh my God. Whee! Oh no. It's getting really windy now, guys. Guys. I know how much time it gets so windy, but a thunderstorm. Really, Mario? Really? A thunderstorm, guys? Come on. It's thunderstorm, rain, and wind. Are you guys nuts? Jeez! It's windy! Ah! I tried myself into two. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die! Curse you, Mario! What'll I do? Oof! Jeffrey, the hero, can handle anything. It is windy, but still. I mean, the clouds are moving pretty fast, and we're in the big thunderstorm. Looking at, I don't realize that, actually. Dang, those clouds are moving pretty fast. Guys. Where's Dad? Dad, how did you drag us into a thunderstorm? It wasn't my fault, Jeffy. Oh, yeah, well, you dragged us in here, did you? Yeah, but, yeah, so it's your fault. Frick you, Jeffy. I mean, it's still pretty windy. Dad? I'm not going to fly, am I? No, Jeffy, you're not going to fly. Oh my God. You're really loud. Oof! Jeffy, are you okay? Frick you, Dad. Jeffy! No, my Jeffy! My phone. But no, Jeffy, no! Jeffy, don't die! Jeffy! Right, yo, wait! You caused this to happen. It's your fault. It's getting really loud. Oh no! Oh, please don't get me out! I want to die! Ah! Curse you, Mario! Baby. Oof! Guys, sorry about it. Yee! Ah! I want to die! You kidding me? Where's the sun? Chef Pee-Pee, the sun was set. Oh, the sun's set already. That's why it's not out. Yes, Chef Pee-Pee, the sun's set. Oh. Whoop. Then I'll get a Mutan. We do that. Damn. Man, those clouds went pretty fast. I think it's a bad thing, right? Right? Should be I want to say it to the clouds. You should be Alright, guys, let the professional handle it. Alright? What you see right now is a thunderstorm, okay? This is a thunderstorm. You know how it's getting darker? Because the sun is setting. The sun is setting, also the thunderstorm is coming. As you can see, it's very, very dark right now. It's getting darker because of the thunderstorm, guys. It's getting darker, so yay! Please don't kill me when I know you haven't had a really good time. I'm not gonna die, right? I mean, I can't die. Hey, I landed! Ow, 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 ow. Guys, this is so stupid. Ha! Guys, I can't handle anything. Okay, I can't get blown away. I'm too fat. I mean, there is a thunderstorm, but I mean, I know there is a thunderstorm, but guys, if the thunderstorm can't blow Bowser away, no matter how bad the thunderstorm is. I got struck too. I almost went head first. You guys saw it, right? Dad, I don't think this is the idea. Guys, are we supposed to be playing in the thunderstorm? Can we just get struck by lightning? Dude, you always have to be a word. I'm not. Guys, the guy's moving pretty fast. I know fake it's safe. Oof. I have still on. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna still on in like an hour. My phone's still there, guys. Don't worry. You guys are a bunch of babies. I can handle anything. I'm Sonic. Sonic, you literally just go. No, I can do a race. Yeah, I can do a race in the wind. Really? Yeah. I mean, I know it may be a thunderstorm, but I can still do it. Really, show us. All right, bet. See, I just ran. See, guys, I just ran a mile to prove all you guys all wrong. Because you guys have to be in the thunderstorm. I'm gonna race back now. Yo, I'm gonna race back now. Wee! Oof! Sonic, try to run. Ow! Yeah, I tried to run, but then the stupid wind blew me. Sonic, what? You shouldn't sit in front of the wind! Oof! I still landed, so I'm still alive. So us ladies can't handle this. Come on, ladies, let's go. Alright, guys, we're in shelter from that storm. Yeah, I like money. Don't ask. Guys, you guys are bunches of babies. Hey, gay Goomba. Dinosaurs are so stupid. I mean, yeah, it is a thunderstorm. It's getting darker. It's getting so dark. There's a big storm coming. Oh, the storm lane. Oh. Yeah, you're right. We're safe. All right. Going out for my science experiment. And it, guys, is a thunderstorm. Logically, the clouds are moving fast because of wind pushing them and the earth rotating. The sun is not out, but it's getting darker anyways because of the storm. You could expect some thunderstorms with a high of 51 and a low of 15 degrees. They're right. Cardi, when did you become so smart? I'm always smart. What do you mean? We don't like smart stuff, Cody. We're not free. I'm gonna get stuck. I'm gonna get struck. I'll get struck. I knew it. Ha! We're what everybody say. Ha! I just out here on the wet grass, and there's a thunderstorm. I can't survive. Everyone died. Well, not everyone, but everyone died. And you died. Yeah, Koopaloos. Well, Koopaloos are still alive though. I curse you, you thunderstorm clouds. You'll kill my friends. First, my mom and dad die. Well, it's part of this movie. They're actually dead, but there's. But then, oh, you guys die. You'll kill everybody. You better not yell at me. How do you talk? I don't know. This is part of the video. I can't actually talk. I'm just making a video. Whoa. Oh yeah, don't yell at me, or else I'll make a wind. Wait, you control weather? Yeah, I mean clouds control weather. What else? I thought skies do. Skies are alive. It's getting darker, guys. I think it's coming. Don't tell me we're gonna get soaked. We might get soaked, guys. It's the thunderstorm probably getting closer, guys. It's getting darker too. I'll kill you. You're not gonna kill me. And guys, the reason why a storm's happening is because this morning it was warm air and then now it's cold air mixing, so it causes a storm. Not tornado. It has to be over 80 or 90. Tell me comment. Okay, you're not gonna get away. What if there's oof? Yo, thunderstorm, you're calling all my friends and I want revenge. I mean, I don't know. I'll get her up. Yo, you thunderstorm, you have rain and lightning. You're gonna kill everybody. You wanna get the body. You suck around. Wait, I don't suck around. Guys. We gotta survive from the thunderstorm. I got it. Thunderstorm! Stop killing all my friends. I got a wand right here. What's the wand gonna do? Oh no, wand can protect you from the thunderstorm. Guys, it's getting darker. I don't want my camera's still light. Guys, it's getting darker out. Hey, mister, right there. Yeah, what do you want? So, why is it so dark? Because of that, a thunderstorm's coming. A thunderstorm, but where's lightning? It's coming probably. I mean, it is getting darker, so, I mean, I guess that's a sign. Yeah. Okay. Make it time. Hold on, actually, you're gonna die. If I'm gonna die, hopefully you land, kid. What? I have a wand though. I can use my wand. I got stuck. And you landed on your belly. You failed. Oh, spare me. Spare me. You killed all my friends. Well, yeah, it's getting windier. I mean, yeah, I can finally die. Yeah, I'm actually happy for once. Yeah, it's getting windier. Yeah, woohoo! Oh, it's actually getting windier. Oh my god. I mean, I'm not scared, but I actually want to die. Come on, wind! Yeah! Come on, come on, boy! Whoa! Yeah! You kill my friends! You kill my people! Oh my god! Hey, kill Mario! Hey, wait, hey, it's my Mario! Luigi! Oh my god! Luigi! Ika, you're okay? No. What's the matter? Eddie. You can tell us. My friends died. Your friends died? Yeah, I just said that. And I really missed him so much. But they're dead. Well, Iggy, we're survived. No, they come kill me too. Yo, stop it! Word! starting to leave Iggy. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Who are you, stupid wind? I get that you're a thunderstorm. You're not taking my friends. Want me to strike lightning on you? I mean, it's getting dark like a thunderstorm, but I haven't seen any lightning yet. Probably later. But still, they're killing my friends. Ah, one lightning strike. My Mario. I'm starting to believe Peach. You kill my friends. You killed my soul. What is wrong with you? You killed all of my friends? Are you serious right now? You killed my friends, including Luigi. I can't believe you would do that. Thunderstorm, here thee. I am. Yeah, guys, so I'm filming the sun in the thunderstorm. It's not really a thunderstorm yet. It has some lightning yet, but I'm gonna cut the piece up. But no thunder yet, guys. But probably later on tonight there will be thunder. Pretty windy, guys. It's been windy like this for a couple of days now. See clouds moving. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. See what's in the next video. I'm gonna go so I can get upload. And then maybe it will become landing, so I'll film.